Hello, my name is Doug Wilson. I'm the Director of Security here at Uptycs. In today's quick video, we're going to show you how you can use Uptycs to download and install an osquery package for Linux variants that use the Red Hat package management system distribution. This is Red Hat, CentOS, a couple other flavors. So currently I'm logged into Uptycs here. I have my assets pane filtered so that you can't see my other assets. When the machine that we're going to put under management is ready in the system, it will show up here with the filter I've got in place. You find the package that you want to download by going to the Configurations tab, and there's a section that says Download Asset Package. So we're going to select the appropriate package type, in this case the CentOS or Red Hat package, and I'm going to click Download. And after I've done this, the Uptycs instance is going to briefly pause and generate a package for download. You'll see it started a moment later in the left-hand corner. Once you've got this package downloaded to your local machine, I leave it up to you to figure out how you're going to get it onto your Red Hat machine. You can use FTP, SCP, or some other file transfer method. Okay, you can see the file's been generated and downloaded. I'm going to switch over to my Linux box. So right now, I'm on a CentOS 6.8 box. Currently, if I type in osquery I, nothing happens because osquery is not installed. I have the same package that I just downloaded and located in a temp directory on this box, and I'm going to install it using the rpm command. So I'm going to type in sudo to escalate my privileges, rpm-i for install, and then the name of the package, and I'm going to go ahead and hit enter. And that's all there is to it. We now have osquery. So we can see we can do queries locally, but more importantly, in that brief period of time, if we now go back to assets, this box is now showing up under management and Uptycs, which means it's already sending data up to our cloud and we're already doing automated, regular scheduled queries. It was just that simple, literally about a minute's worth of work, and your box has osquery not only installed, but properly configured and recording information to Uptycs. I hope this video is useful, and I hope you tune in again soon for future videos. Thanks.